And I'm also wearing my Haunted Mansion leggings, very appropriate. It may be August, but I am obviously totally ready for fall. And that means that today we're going to be building the Lego Haunted Mansion set while watching Muppets Haunted Mansion, of course. Full disclosure, I did get this last year and built it then, but then I unbuilt it so that I could rebuild it with you. But like I said, we're going to watch Muppets Haunted Mansion, and now, of course, I have the song in my head, Grim Gritty Ghost, come out and socialize. By the way, this set is actually still available on the site if you're interested, but enough chit-chat, let's be zany. this is the finished product. I had a couple of snafus where I was missing a brick or I used the wrong brick, so thankfully I had some that were already in my collection that I could use. So I really like the facade of this, and then the inside, kind of like how I mentioned, I was missing stickers. I did contact Lego support, and they are sending them to me. But I like the inside as well, and then it also comes with a little cast member guy, which is also very cute. The other issue I ran into was I had made a cart apparently at some point, and I had been using these, and now I can't find the instructions to put it back together, so I don't really know what to do with it. I'm hoping that the next set that I create will actually be the one that's winning the poll over on Instagram and TikTok. So if you want to go vote, make sure you go over there and vote for the set that you most want me to make this month. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay zany.